In this video, I'm about to show you how to make Notion habit tracker with graph. So before we begin, you can simply head over to the link in the description below to access Notion and as well get extended benefits and rewards. So let's just begin. Now, the very first thing that I suggest you do is you can see we got this particular template, which I suggest is visual habit tracker graphics, and it is going to be incorporating different type of statistical analysis and views that you can use for your habit tracking. You can see this template that automatically creates daily pages with 4 habits that I've choose and basically are accompanied by graphs that allow you visually weekly progress as well as annual history. So pretty nice, right? So you can use this to open it. Simply click on add and you can get it right away. It is going to be taking a moment to load up, and once it does you will be able to see that we will be seeing the template. Click on see template and you can see it is now showing everything. The thing that you should be keeping in mind that if you upgrade your plan, you're going to be using workspaces, but currently we are on another workspace, so we to use multiple you need to upgrade. But for now you can see we got our graphs going on, and that's how we can easily utilize this. So that's how we can simply start adding these. Let's just say last Thursday, Wednesday, 8 hours of sleep, meditation, and your graph is gonna be working. So that's how we can use it. If you want to simply access Notion, use the link in the description below and enjoy extra benefits. See you guys in the next video.